So my mother came to Bangalore and she didn't make roti for me. Why?
मुझे अपनी उंगलियों पे नाज है. Wow.
It is not bad. This is not bad.
What do you get when you ask the letter G to go away?
What?
Got a point.
Oh my god. सैया ने देखा ऐसे मैं पानी पानी हो गई.
Scratch my face off. So रेडियो पे on a day-to-day basis हम लोग आपको हंसाते हैं, रुलाते हैं. There are tons of emotions that we share with you. But we thought कि आज के दिन let's share some emotions within each other.
Yes, sir. We're going to be having a competition here. Let's see who can make the other person laugh. We have got some jokes written, and this competition is going to happen right now between me and Angira. My name is RJ Tuin. That's RJ Angira. We're going to take on each other right now.
And as you can see, I'm already in a great mood, so I'm already laughing. But Tuhin, I hope your jokes are funny. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so are you guys ready? Because we are ready. What do you call an Italian chef who died?
Italian chef who died.
Think.
No idea.
He passed away.
So my mother came to Bangalore and she didn't make roti for me. Why? Because she said belan dur hai. How would I belo the roti?
That was funny. That was funny.
She laughed, yeah?
Yeah, you get a point, but it is really a good one.
Okay, cool.
मुझे अपनी उंगलियों पे नाज है. बताइए क्यों?
मुझे अपनी उंगलियों पे नाज है because you can count on them. So if you have to go from Delhi to Jaipur,
Okay.
but you want to take a longer route, what would you do? And you want your drive to be longer, what would you do?
You would run.
You take via Agra.
Okay. Wow.
It is not bad. This is not bad.
What do you get when you ask the letter G to go away?
What?
नहीं पता. G ja G.
Jija ji.
Got a point.
Oh my god. What did an ice cube say about Superman?
What did an ice cube say to Superman?
Say about Superman.
About Superman. बर्फी.
सैया ने देखा ऐसे मैं पानी पानी हो गई.
Scratch my face off. Did you hear about the guy who invented the knock knock joke? I think it's funny.
No.
He won the Nobel Prize. Yeah, I got another point too.
What did Sunny Deol say to Sunil Shetty when Sunil Shetty was peeing and he got distracted? MMG संभालो भैरव सिंह, MMG संभालो.
Oh yeah, good one, border wali joke. Why do designers, no offense, why do designers always look so tipsy?
So tipsy. क्योंकि पैग मार के करते हैं.
आप हंस रहे हो? यार funny है यार हंस दो. Because they're always working on JPEGs. So we were close.
Oh, JPEG.
JPEGs.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What did people say to Virat after he stepped down as a captain? कोहली के पीछे क्या है? कोहली के पीछे.
I sold my vacuum the other day. Do you know why?
Why?
Because it was collecting dust. Isn't okay? Never mind.
If Bruce Wayne is in a cricket team, why won't he ball? Because he's Batman.
What do you call a fake noodle?
What I call a fake noodle.
What do you call a fake noodle?
Fake noodle. What is it?
An impasta. Impasta, like imposter, impasta.
Oh.
See, यार ये intelligent jokes है यार ये.
Intelligent for me, yeah.
Yeah, it's too
That's too intelligent.
Okay, but you laughed, so is that counted?
Did I laugh on the joke? No.
Okay, fine.
But well played. Not bad at all.
No,
Not
thank
bad
you.
at
This
all.
is fun, this is
Good
fun.
Who's gonna eat these chocolates?
You can go ahead because these have gluten and I have an allergy. Thank you.
Well, we had great time telling jokes to each other. You can also do that with your friends and keep laughing and spread positivity.
Also, hashtag us every time you laugh and make a joke because we might be able to use it the next time.
तो भैया हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, खाते रहो और रेड एफएम बजाते रहो. When you drop a body part, what would you say?
What would you say?
जैसे तेरा अंगिरा.
आपने बड़ा रात भर काम किया ना इस joke पे?
She laughed on that.
No, I'm laughing at the joke.
She just laughed on that.
Hey, what is this, yeah? I'll keep a straight face now.
Red FM 93.5